I'm going to show you how to use the drag and drop. Again, it's in beta mode, meaning you'll probably find some bugs in it. If you do, let us know so we can fix them. Our programmers are literally working and tweaking it all the time. So what I did is I selected a template, and now I want to hit this, switch to beta builder. It asked me if I want to switch. I said yes. Okay. Like the example I did Monday, I'm just going to go back to that. Well, if you watched the webinar I did on it, I'm going to just go into like a Forex type of thing, just as an example. Now, it could be anything. It could be any company you want, but this is easy here to do. So I confirm the background. Okay, so now here's what happens is when you scroll up and down the fields, it'll say edit content. So maybe I want to say something like make money, no sponsor. Just copy our trades. Okay. Well, one of the things is while I'm editing, I can highlight one word or multiple words and change their color now. So when I highlight, you'll see here in the box, I could switch over and change the color. I'm going to do this maybe like a bright green there. Okay. And then I'll hit stop editing. Okay. One of the things is this background's very busy, so I'm going to adjust the opacity of the square to black and then make it a little bit darker to really make the text pop out. Also, if you hit the style button, that's where you can change your font, okay, and the rest of the color. So it won't change the color you just did in the green, but it will change the white to whatever color. So, I mean, you can have fun changing the text to make it look however you want here. Okay, this line right here, if you want to delete a component, which I do, it just says delete, yes, delete, it takes it away. Okay, but now what we're going to do is we're going to play. I found some pictures of Forex over here. You want to make sure they're non-copyrighted pictures, okay? And then you're going to use this field called Edit Components over here on the left-hand side. Edit Components. I click the button, and now we have this box that pulls up. Well, now I'm just going to grab that. I'm going to put a picture there, Edit Content. I add the picture. I want it about 50%. I don't want it full size. I want you to still see the background through it. So now you can see that. All right, I'm going to delete this component too, and I'm going to replace it with a header like this. Edit content. See how it works. Watch our video. Okay, stop editing. I'm going to go to the style here. I'm going to reduce the size of that, okay, like that. Now I'm going to go over to YouTube. For example. And let's say I was looking at iMarkets Live webinar. Whoop. Again, this is just an example. This could be anything you name. It could be whatever. Webinar overview. Okay, so
live. Hello, welcome everyone to this.
So let's say I wanted to use this. I'm going to go back into the page here, and I'm just going to drag this video wherever I want it. Well, I actually grabbed an image. Delete that. Where it looks like a YouTube video. Drag that there. Edit content, paste the entire YouTube link, okay. Turn off related videos. I'll turn off controls too. Hit save. Okay. So now we got a picture followed by a video. And then maybe I'll do this line here. I'm going to delete that little line. And maybe I want another header here. And then I'm going to do see the proof here. And then I'm going to go back to pictures, for example. Forex profits, maybe I'll type in. Images. And let's say I liked this here, for example. Now, that's a very old date. I probably wouldn't use that. Or maybe I would just, you know, use this or There you go, something like that. Let's say I want to use it. I hit copy image address, okay? And that's the power of the drag and drop builder. Now you could do cool stuff like this. Click this here, drag over a photo, just drag it in here, and I want to edit it. So you have to stop editing what you're doing to edit the next one. Edit content, paste. I'm going to do that one at 50%. Save. Okay, now this one, it probably, see how it's not working here. What did I do? I tried to get it. It ended with GIF. Okay, we've got to find one that ends with JPEG or PNG. Okay, so I'm glad that happened so I could show you an error on my part. Okay, so let's look at this one. Copy image address. Again, you need to make sure you can use these images. Edit. Paste. Okay, that's a JPEG. Okay. Save. And that should go in the system. They're requesting image. Okay, so maybe that wasn't a good image. So let's try another one. Sometimes you're going to have to try these images, especially if you're, you know, copy image address. That's a GIF too, so that's not going to work. So sometimes you're going to have to play a little bit, figure out what works, what doesn't. Even though this is old, I'm just doing this as an example anyway, it doesn't really matter. Paste. That's a GIF. Boy, a lot of GIFs instead of JPEGs, which is strange. Maybe we'll do this. Copy image address. That should work. It's a PNG. Error requesting image. Okay. Strange. Let's see here. Copy image address. There we go. So sometimes you just got to find the right image. Okay, so this would be more like a landing page. So I'm going to take the form off. Well, first of all, we're going to edit this and say, get started, join on the button below. Again, you would hit the style editor here. I could change the color there. And on our form, I'm going to put no form for now, because this would be more like a landing page, okay? And, okay, now one of the things is we do have a bug. We know we have a bug in our button to change colors, and the beta editor is not working right now. Probably will shortly, but as of this video, it's not working, so the button will stay yellow for now. Edit content, if I want to say join now, I can. We're also having a little error on spacing, which we know about, which will be fixed too on that button. So anyway, let me just hide this here. So we're just going to hit the crop or the edit component button to take that away, and I want to hide the menu. So now let's look at how this page will look, the drag and drop editor. So now you can put dynamic pictures, you can put drag headlines in you want, add a video, add, you know, another headline, add more proof, so you can make your landing pages a lot more dynamic. Then you would just save it, put your redirect in there. If you have a capture page, put the capture page in there. But really dynamic what you can do with the drag and drop editor. Again, it's in beta. Again, we know we have a couple issues and we're working through those issues right now, and those will probably be fixed very shortly here. But that's something that's happening, and you know, that's why we have it beta. But after you save it, it'll be a working page, and it'll be pretty darn awesome. I mean, I can't wait to see what some of you are going to do with this drag and drop editor. I'm very, very excited about it. All right, talk to everyone later.